Hi friends, in this session I will teach you organic conversions. Generally students feel difficulty. आता यामध्ये जे कन्व्हर्जन्स असणारे आहेत, ऑर्गॅनिक कन्व्हर्जन्स ही खूप महत्त्वाची असणारे आहेत आणि तुम्ही जर याचा सराव केला तर निश्चितच तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या परीक्षेमध्ये कोणतीही अडचण येणार नाही. तर यामध्ये नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट कन्वर्जन इथेन टू ब्युटेन. सो फर्स्ट यू राईट structure of ethane CH3. So this is converted into butane CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Now observe what is the change in this. There are two carbon atoms and here four carbon atoms, so carbon atoms are doubled. मग अशा वेळी तुम्हाला पटकन आठवायला पाहिजे की नेमकी इथं कोणत्या पद्धतीची रिएक्शन तुम्हाला कॅरी आउट करावी लागणारी आहे. इथं नाव CH3 first treated with chlorine in presence of sunlight, so there is a formation of CH3CH2Cl, ethyl chloride, and this ethyl chloride is then treated with sodium in presence of dry ether. So this reaction is known as a Woods reaction. So there is a formation of CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, that is butane or N-butane. That means you should know the which type of reagents are used to convert. इथं कोणत्या प्रकारचा रिएजंट वापरावा लागेल हे पटकन तुम्हाला समजायचं असेल किंवा त्या दृष्टीनं विचार करायचा असेल तर या कन्व्हर्जनचा तुम्हाला जास्त सराव करावा लागणारा आहे. तर इथं या पद्धतीनं इथेन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ब्युटेन. नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड कन्वर्जन. Acetylene is converted into ethylene. First you write the structure of acetylene, CH triple bond CH, and is converted into CH2 double bond CH2. Now observe the change. Here two carbon, two hydrogen atoms and triple bond, and here four hydrogen atoms and two carbon atoms. So in this conversion there is a addition of two hydrogen atoms. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे यामध्ये दोन हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स ऍड झाले आणि एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक होऊन डबल बॉन्ड राहिलेला आहे. म्हणजे इथं जे असणार आहे ते कम्प्लीट हायड्रोजनेशन झालेलं नाही, हे आपण लक्षात ठेवणं गरजेचं आहे. म्हणजे H C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH याचं काय होणार आहे इथं तर पार्शल हायड्रोजनेशन होईल. पार्शल हायड्रोजनेशन. यासाठी तुम्हाला PD in barium sulfate is used as a catalyst. तर या this is known as a Lindlar's catalyst. So there is a formation of CH2 double bond CH2. म्हणजे या पद्धतीनं ही कन्व्हर्जन्स आपण लक्षात ठेवायची आहेत. Now this is third conversion, ethylene to ethylene glycol. Now you write the structure of ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2 is converted into CH2OH. Now observe the actual change. Here two carbon, four hydrogen atoms. Here two carbon, four hydrogen plus two OH groups. म्हणजे there is a addition of two OH groups. म्हणजे ही ऍडिशन तुम्हाला दोन OH ची करायची असेल तर नेमके कोणता यातला रिएजंट वापरायचा आहे हे आपल्या लक्षामध्ये येणं गरजेचं आहे. तर CH2 double bond CH2 you have to use the alkaline KMnO4. This is nothing but Beer's reagent. From this Beer's reagent we obtain H2 and O. So two OH groups gets attached to these two carbon atoms and there is a formation of CH2 OH CH2 OH. म्हणजे नेमका कोणता रिएजंट वापरला पाहिजे या चेंज मध्ये हे पटकन कळणं गरजेचं आहे. नाउ दिस इज द नेक्स्ट कन्वर्जन दॅट इज इथाइन टू प्रोपाइन. राइट, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इथाइन HC ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3 C triple bond CH. Now observe the change. Here this hydrogen atom or this hydrogen atom gets substituted by methyl group. Correct. हा आपल्याला बदल करायचा असेल तर which reagent is required or used? Now see the reaction. C triple bond CH ethyne or acetylene is treated with soda amide in liquid ammonia. It gives HC triple bond CNA plus sodium acetylide. And this sodium acetylide is treated with, now here two carbon atoms and in this case there are three carbon atoms, so you have to write CH3Br, alkyl halide. So this Na gets combines with Br to form NaBr and Na is replaced by CH3. So CH3 C triple bond CH, this is nothing but the propine. This is the next conversion, bromomethane to propanone. Bromomethane CH3Br and this is converted into CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is the propanone. म्हणजे इथं एकच कार्बन आहे तर इथं तीन कार्बन ॲटम्स असणारे आहेत, म्हणजे कार्बनची संख्या तुम्हाला वाढवावी लागणारी आहे. म्हणजे CH3Br. Now it is treated with HC triple bond CNA plus sodium acetylide. So it combines with Na plus combines with Br to form HC triple bond CCH3. This is nothing but propine. Means first you have to convert bromomethane to propine and then it is treated with dilute H2SO4 in presence of HgSO4. So there is a addition of H2O. Addition of H2O म्हणजे काय होईल पहा, CH3 C OH double bond CH2. This is unstable. So there is a formation of double bond. This electron pair goes to this carbon atom and hydrogen atom gets attached to this carbon atom. So CH3 C double bond O CH3 means this unstable compound undergoes or it tautomerization यामध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल. नेक्स्ट कन्वर्जन ब्यूट 1ENE टू ब्यूट 2ENE. CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. This is but 1ENE and is converted into but 2ENE. CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. So here position of double bond is changed. मग यासाठी नेमकं आता कोणते रिएजंट्स वापरावे लागणार आहेत हे माहीत करून घेणं गरजेचं आहे. CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. So addition of HBr, that is according to Markovnikov's rule. According to Markovnikov's rule. So this negative part gets attached to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen atoms. So product form is a CH3 CH2 CHBr CH3. So this is the 2-bromo-butane. So this 2-bromo-butane on heating with alcoholic KOH, it undergoes dehydrohalogenation. Means removal of one hydrogen and Br from adjacent carbon atoms. So this Br and hydrogen atom from adjacent carbon atom, this product form is according to Sedzep rule. CH3 CH double bond CH CH3. This is but2ne according to Sedzep. This is nothing but Sedzep product. Stable product is a form. Now the next conversion is tertiary butyl bromide to isobutyl bromide. Now first you write the structure of tertiary butyl bromide. This is tertiary butyl bromide and is converted into CH3 CH CH3 CH2 Br. This is isobutyl bromide. Now see the what is actual change in this conversion. This is the tertiary alkyl halide and this one is the primary alkyl halide. Number of carbon atoms are the same, but only type of alkyl halide is tertiary to primary. Now CH3 CH3 CH3Br. So this tertiary butyl alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic KOH, and when it is heated with alcoholic KOH, it undergoes a process known as dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. So this Br and one hydrogen atom from any one of the three carbon or methyl groups gets removed, and there is a formation of CH3 CH3 double bond CH2 unsaturated compound. This is isobutylene. Now this isobutylene is converted into isobutyl bromide. So here addition of HBr, but this reaction is carried out in presence of peroxide. So this is anti-Markovnikov's addition. So here negative part gets attached to the carbon containing more number of hydrogen atoms, and the product formed is CH3 CH3 CH double CH CH2 Br. This is nothing but isobutyl bromide. Now the next conversion is benzene to diphenyl. Benzene is converted into diphenyl. So which reagents should be used in this conversion? इथं बेन्झीन लिहा, treated with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So H atom of benzene get replaced by Cl. So here chlorobenzene is formed. Chlorobenzene, and this chlorobenzene is treated with metal sodium in presence of dry ether. This reaction is known as a fitting reaction. Correct. So there is a formation of diphenyl. There is a formation of diphenyl. Now this is next conversion. Benzene is converted into benzoic acid. This is benzene and is converted into benzoic acid, COH. Now here required reagents are ते तुम्हाला शोधून काढायचं आहे. आता बेन्झीन reaction is carried out with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This is nothing but Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that is the methylation. So there is a formation of methyl benzene or toluene, methyl benzene or toluene, and this toluene, when heated with hot alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis, that is acid hydrolysis, this CH3 group is oxidized to COH group. So the final product is a benzoic acid. Now this is the next conversion. Toluene, nothing but methyl benzene, and is converted into M-nitrobenzoic acid. So you have to find out the reagents required this conversion. First you write toluene. As you know that toluene on reaction with hot alkaline KMnO4 followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Correct? And when this benzoic acid is treated with concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid called nitrating mixture, this process is known as a nitration. Here this in benzoic acid, the COH group is an electron withdrawing, so it is meta directing group. So NO2 group from this nitric acid gets attached to meta position. So this is M-nitrobenzoic acid.